Are you in a financial crisis? Are you getting into bad debts? Are you struggling with financial issues? If so, please watch this video carefully and practice the given spiritual techniques to change your situation drastically and rapidly. Good luck awaits you. Please be mindful of what you speak because what you speak is what you create. Words are energy bullets. Every word has certain frequency. When uttered, they create vibrations in the energy fields within which we live. These vibrations in turn affect our own energy fields and vibrational patterns, affecting our moods, feelings, and wellness. Positive words give positive results, and accordingly, negative words give negative results. Many people have the habit of using negative words or making negative expressions such as life is never good to me, my life is useless, I don't deserve it, I'm not lucky, money doesn't stay with me. These expressions act like self affirmations affecting our subconscious mind. So never utter a negative word or a sentence about money because it does really affect your financial wellness. Instead, use positive words and expressions about money and prosperity. Remember, whatever we utter has an energy attached to it. It has got certain vibrations, and these vibrations are actually affecting the energy field within which we are all living. And the law of attraction always returns whatever we are giving it. It could be a mental thought or it could be a verbal word where we are expressing certain thing, and these vibrations are going to come back to us in a magnified and going to give what we are offering. So make a negative expression, definitely you will get negative things. Make a positive expression, you will get positive things. So when it comes to money, always talk positive about money. Tell that you love money. Tell that it is easy for you to make money. Tell that you have multiple source of income. Tell that you always have surplus of money. So that is how you need to keep talking. Even many people, in order to just avoid people or avoid giving loans to other people, they will keep saying that I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money in my bank account, just to avoid giving money to other people. People keep talking like this. It's a very, very bad thing. They might not see the result immediately, but very soon they will see that one. Instead, they can politely say that they don't want to give money because they have some other obligation. Instead of just saying that I don't have money, my purse is empty, my bank account is empty, I'm not getting money. These are the things which should be avoided at any cost. Even if you're having a very bad financial situation, don't acknowledge that situation and don't keep telling people saying that you don't have money. Tell that money is coming to me, money will come to me. I have money, but I cannot use it now. Use this kind of statements. So the moment you keep saying about money, saying that you already have money, you are going to get money, definitely you are going to get money. So because the nature is silently listening to whatever you are saying, whatever you are feeling, and that is definitely going to deliver whatever you are offering. So always be watchful of your words. Never utter a negative word. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Please press the bell button to get alerts whenever new videos are uploaded from us. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting us, and we hope you will definitely benefit from our videos. Please visit our website www.kriyashakti.com. You can also visit our Facebook account kriyashakti.sri. Thank you.